Hey y'all, it's Katie, and today I wanted to do something a little bit different for my channel, and I'm really looking forward to hearing your guys' feedback. But today I want to do a video sharing with you guys a look that I created, this look right here, but I'm going to do it without a voiceover. It's just going to be music, a more relaxing type of music. That way the experience is more of a relaxed experience. So I'm really curious to hear what you guys are going to think about this, but I have these two palettes from Midas Cosmetics. This is the Pumpkin Spice Latte Quad, and this is the Green Tea Macchiato. They were launched last year for the fall, and they were limited edition, but Midas did bring it back, and I asked, and they are now permanent. So I was like, you know what? I've already reviewed them. I actually have eye swatches of both of these quads on my channel. I'll leave that linked in the description box, but I never really created a tutorial or anything with them, but these quads are just so beautiful. I was like, I really want to bring them back out and do a look. And I've always wanted to do an all matte look using the oranges in the Pumpkin Spice Latte palette. So I asked on Instagram, and I got a lot of response saying, yes, we'd love to see it. So I'm going to go ahead and do this so you guys can see how I got this look and have a relaxing tutorial to watch. As I said, I'm going to be really curious to hear how you guys think, and if you guys enjoy this sort of thing, or do you prefer tutorials with voiceovers explaining the steps and explaining how the shadows work. And the main reason I'd like to hear is because if you guys do like this, I can do more of these type of videos, and maybe even 3 look videos with older palettes if I don't have to worry about doing voiceovers, if that makes sense, because voiceovers, when I do them, they're very time consuming. But if I'm just going to do a tutorial, have a little intro, outro like in this video, I can put more of these type of videos up. So just give me your feedback if you don't like this thing. If you are someone who likes a voiceover explaining it, that's totally fine. Just let me know. But before we do dive into the tutorial, let's go ahead and do my Instagram shout out for today. Today's Instagram shout out is going to go to Jenny LU33. Jenny Lou, I believe, at 33. She commented on my most recent post. Thank you so very much, Jen, for commenting and being so supportive on all my posts. I really do appreciate it, and you are my Instagram shout out for today. And per usual, if you want a chance to be featured, all you have to be doing is following me on Instagram. I'm LadyKatie92. Interact with my content as it goes up, and then when I sit down to film, I randomly select someone from my comment sections of my most recent post to shout out in a video. So yeah, with that said, I will have all the other products that I used on my face, like my lipstick, highlighter, that kind of stuff. I'll have that link down below if I don't show it. So if you are curious, just check the description box, and I'll try to link as much of my face products as I can remember down below. Granted, I usually don't do foundation and stuff like that, but if you would prefer me to do that, let me know in a comment and I can start doing that. But yeah, I think I've babbled on long enough. Let's just jump right into the tutorial.
Swim oceans for you. I would swim oceans and oceans for you. Always.
Alright, with this outro, I don't want to make it too long because I feel like it's just a very relaxing video, so I don't want to disturb it with my loud and obnoxious voice because I feel like sometimes when I talk I'm shouting at the camera. So I'm trying to be calm and cool and collected so that it can be a very calming outro. But I hope you enjoyed it, and as I said, please let me know your thoughts down below. I cannot wait to hear how you guys take this video, to see how it does. And if you guys do like this video, please leave that down in the comments so I know. And if you would like to see more videos like this with older palettes, as I said, there are just so many palettes that I've done looks with. I have all the footage. I could easily do an intro and outro for them, but I just don't have that added time that it would take to do the voiceover and then also the outro with the review at the end and then put it all together. They're very time consuming, and if it's an older palette that not many people are interested in, it's very hard to work so hard on a video and then like nobody really wanted to see it. Not that I'm blaming you, I totally understand the algorithm. I totally understand, like, there's a ton of videos already out there for, you know, I don't know, the Gemini palette, so who wants to sit and watch another one if you already have the inspiration? But there are some people who do like it, so if that's something you're interested in, then I could easily make the process easier for me so that I could do it more often for you guys. Does that make sense? I hope it does. But let me know what you think. I cannot wait to hear your guys' feedback. I feel like I've said that a million times. I am so sorry. That's probably annoying, but I'm gonna stop talking now. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up on your way out as it helps me in the whole YouTube algorithm. And if you want to continue getting daily content from me, I'm over on Instagram. I'm LadyKatie92. And yeah, with all that said, I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye guys.